See, this is picture of page number 91. You'll get answer answer here, warning sound. Okay, those they have textbook, they can write from the textbook, and those they are not having textbook, they can pause the video and they can copy from here. Sound also help us to learn about our surrounding. The sound of a fire alarm warns us that there may be fire or smoke around and tell us that we should take safety measures. The sound of a fire engine tell us that we should give way to it so that the fire can be controlled and people trapped in the fire can be saved at the earliest. Similarly, the sound of an ambulance tells us that we should give way to it so that the patient can reach the hospital at the earliest. So, you can write the answer from here for answer number A, page number 91. Now the next question B, how can we stop noise pollution? Okay, so there are different ways to stop the noise pollution. Already in previous videos I have discussed with you. I have told you about the measures. With the help of that, how we can stop the noise pollution. On page number 92 you will get the answer. See, on page number 9, this is a picture of page 92. How to reduce noise pollution. We should not play music or put television on high volume. We should avoid bursting loud crackers during festival season or festive seasons. We should not blow the horn of a car unnecessarily. We should avoid being in a noisy place for too long. Okay, you can write other reasons as well, other valid reasons. Next is C. How can the sound of loud music affects our neighbors? So it is very bad when you play loud music. Obviously it will affect your neighbors. So how it can affect? So there are different reasons. I have written 4 reasons. You can write other reasons as well. First is they will have trouble in sleeping. Second reason, if anybody is sick, it will affect on their mental and physical health. Other effect is it can disturb in their work. Like nowadays lockdown is going on and many people they are working from home. So loud music of a neighbor can disturb us. So it can disturb in their work. The other effect is it will affect on the study of school going kids. If the small children are there and they are going to school, and that time it can affect on their study as well. So you can write 4 reasons I gave. You can write different reasons where the sound of loud music affect the neighbors. Next question D. List 5 sounds made by humans to express emotions, feelings or conditions. So here 5 sound you have to mention to show the emotion, feeling or conditions. So I have written here 5. You can write different sounds also. First, crying. When we cry, when we are in pain or we are sad, that time we cry. Then laughing. We laugh in happiness. When we are very happy, that time we laugh. Then clapping. Clapping to cheer somebody. Then shouting. Shouting for help or shouting in anger. Next is singing. Singing for entertainment. Okay. So these are the 5 sounds I wrote. You can write your own answers as well. Then the next question is think and answer. This is also on page number 95. Sixth question, think and answer. Thoughts. Why are we unable to hear sound in space? In our previous video, I have explained why the sound is not heard in space, as the sound needs a medium to travel, okay, like air, like water. So in space there is no air, no water, so there is no medium. So sound travels through the vibration. For that it needs medium like air and water. As in space there is no air, so sound has no way to travel. That is the reason sound are unable to hear in space. Okay children, this question answers you have to note down in your notebook, science notebook, and you have to learn it. And your homework is to read the textbook. Read the chapter number 8. After writing this question answer, you can learn the answers as well. Thank you.